Hello and welcome to Agency Analytics. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of the platform and walk you through your basic account setup. Agency Analytics is an all-in-one reporting and analytics platform built specifically for digital agencies. Forget about manual reporting, checking dozens of platforms, or juggling screenshots and spreadsheets. Agency Analytics automates the reporting process, saving hours each week and delivering consistent professional dashboards and reports without the chaos. Build a report once and let Agency Analytics automatically pull in data from any of our 80+ data sources. Easily switch between clients with a single click. No need to manage multiple logins or tabs. Inside each client dashboard, you get a full view of your connected data sources, analytics, ads, social, call tracking, and more, along with keyword ranking and backlink monitoring, all in one place. Our AI-powered tools take reporting even further. Ask AI breaks down data and summarizes trends in plain English. AI summary widgets automatically highlight wins, drops, and key performance insights. Benchmarks and forecasting widgets reveal how client performance compares to industry averages and the direction it's trending. Give both clients and staff their own logins with custom permissions so everyone sees exactly what they need. Plus, deliver professional branded reports with powerful white labeling capabilities. In the branding section, upload your logo, customize your color scheme, and even use your own custom domain so clients see only your branding, not ours. When you first log in, you'll land on your account overview. From here, access clients, view prospects, and explore performance data under dashboards and reports. You'll also find tools for project management like proposals, goals, tasks, and alerts, along with key management areas such as data sources, custom metrics, templates, and bulk actions. At the bottom of the menu, you'll see shortcuts for notifications, downloads, and help and support, where you can access our knowledge base. In the settings area, update company information and personal account details, such as your email or password. Now, let's look at how to add a client. To create a new client, click Add Client, enter your client's name and website URL, and click Add. Once your client has been created, go to Data Sources and click Connect Data Source. From here, you will see a full list of available integrations. For example, to connect Google Analytics, select it from the list, enter your credentials or choose an existing connection, and click Connect. You'll now see a new Google Analytics section in the left-hand menu with live data widgets you can add to dashboards or reports. Once you've connected your data, start building customizable dashboards, create automated reports, and schedule them to send to clients automatically. To learn more, check out our other tutorial videos or visit our in-depth knowledge base by clicking the Help and Support icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, you can also start a live chat with our friendly support team. We're available 24/5 and happy to help. Thanks for watching and welcome to Agency Analytics. It's time to start reporting smarter, not harder.